Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all-new Fulaim X5, as you can see right here. So Fulaim is actually a company which specializes in producing wireless microphone. As you can see in their website, they are selling many microphones, and this is one of their latest wireless microphone models, which is the X5. And they actually sent me this item for me to test it out and let you guys know my honest opinion on it. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it with you guys right now. So let's get straight right into the unboxing. Yep, the package just came in today, so yeah, I'm going to open it with you guys. I haven't opened it yet, so yeah, this is the first time I'm opening it. And there is a plastic, and throw it away. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. It's nice. It's not some cheap material. It's a hard box. And this is what it looks like. The front. Ooh. Fulaim. As you can see right here. The unboxing experience is nice. I like it. Okay. Let's put this aside. And this is the wireless microphone. This is what it looks like inside. Ooh. Okay. The box is empty now, I think. Oh, there is accessories right here. Yep, there is some accessories right here, some wires. I think that's all in the box. There is nothing more. Yep. Just now, let's get straight right into this thing right here. This is the main thing. Ooh. Okay. The feel of it is solid. I like the feel of it. It's really premium and solid. That's the first impression. Especially the yellow lines, the small lines. It makes it like, you know, like sharp and more futuristic, as you can see right here. It's nice. So now let's open it. So this is the wireless microphone. This is my first look at it, and wow, the design is unique, as you can see right here. When I open it, the lights start like blinking and all. It looks like, wow, it's like welcoming me to use it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this out. This is the microphone, by the way, and the middle one is the transmitter, if not mistaken. Yep, it's written here like the battery life of the microphone, like how many percent, like not percentage, like as you can see right here, the bar, the battery bar. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the short preview video of the accessories included and how does the microphone looks like in a better picture. So yeah, now I'm gonna talk about the build quality of the wireless microphone. So the first touch like that, I can feel like it's not some cheap product. It's a high quality product. Like for the plastic, you can hear it for yourself. It's solid. It's not like some wireless microphone that sells for a cheap price and they give like a bad quality. But for this one, it's a different story. Fulaim X5, it's a better quality for sure. And when I open it, I have the premium feel because, as you can see right here, the color contrast, like it's like yellow and there's like black here. That's the first look. It looks very futuristic, as I said before, and yep, as you can see, it's really cool. It's like a, you know, like a cool tech. There's something like that. And the size of this case is like, compare it with the iPhone 14 Pro. The size is almost similar, like the width over this part, like below the camera. until by the bottom. It's the same, like that. And the thickness, as you can see, I want to say that this microphone supports, like, you can use this with your handphone, any phone, iPhone, Android, or anything, because there's like I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but there is this adapter included. Like, you could plug this in. This is like a Type C, and this like a iPhone lightning cable, like not lightning cable, lightning port thing. And there is one more here, which is USB-C to USB-C. This is for Android, I guess, and this is for iPhone. So there's two. And in order to use it, for example, now I'm using the iPhone, so I'm gonna take the iPhone, I'm gonna put this Type C to Type C back in the box. I'm gonna take the lightning adapter and plug this into the transmitter. This is the transmitter, by the way. Yep. I'm just gonna put this in. Okay, now it's in. It's really simple, and I'm just gonna put this into the iPhone. I'm just gonna put it like that. Okay, now it's in, so I can just monitor the voice. For example, I take out one microphone, and you can just see right here, hello, 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 hello. You can see that side, it's moving, hello, hello, hello. And I take the other microphone, hello, 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 and you can see this side is moving. So that means both of the microphone is working perfectly. And yeah, other than that, I would like to add on, like for this microphone, there is magnet included as well. It's a strong magnet, and there's also a clip right here. So for example, if you want to clip to a shirt, you can just clip it easily like this. You can just clip it and talk. And if you want to use the magnet, you can just use the magnet like this. Now it stays there without a clip. I'm not clipping it, so I'm just gonna take this magnet out. So yeah, that's the nice thing about Fulaim X5. So now let's get straight into the... Hello there, how are you? So today I'll be talking about the Fulaim X5, and this is the sound quality for test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Hello there, hello there, hello there. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and welcome back to my channel. So now it's the mic audio, and I'm now further away. As you can see right here, I'm further away, and you can hear the voice quality. It's still really clear. I'm not sure if it's clear or not, because I'm not able to hear it right now. But when I'm recording, I'm able to hear it. But I'm guessing that it's clear. So yeah, just tell me your opinions in the comment below. Is it clear or is it not clear? And is it worth it or not? ASMR sound test, okay? So right now I'm gonna give you guys an example of what can this Fulaim X5 do. For example, you're a game streamer and you like to stream your game online. This mic is suitable for you because with this mic you get to record and you get to connect with your audience with a better audio quality. For example, you're playing an action game, a shooting game. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a scenario. A shooting game I'm playing right now as a live streamer. I'm streaming my game online right now on Twitch, for example, and I'm just trying to talk with my teammates on the game. So I'm like, hey, example, his name is X. I'm gonna say, hey X, there's a gun right there. You guys can collect it and just pass it to me, and just take care of our area. Don't let the enemies attack. So yeah,
From this example, you guys can hear how is the sound quality of the Fulaim X5. All of this audio is recorded by the Fulaim X5 for information. It's from my phone. It's from the Fulaim X5, sorry. And yeah, this is what it sounds like with the Fulaim X5. Example, you're game streaming right now, but if you plug in the mic to your phone, it's not really comfortable, so I recommending plugging this into your PC or laptop if you're gaming, so you can connect with your audience. But for now, I'm going to show you guys an example that you can even plug this into your mobile phone and use it if you guys want, or you can just plug this into your camera because there is like a aux cable provided. All the cables that is needed is provided in the box, so it's really easy to use. So yeah, you could even plug this receiver into your PC or laptop because there is an aux cable. So yeah, it's really easy to use. So now I'm gonna show you guys another example, which is vlogging, but this time it's a bit special because I'm gonna show you guys outside. It's not in this place, it's outside, so you guys can have a better, like a more real picture of what does it sound like and is it worth it to buy or not, because normally vlogging is done outside, like travel vlog and normal vlogging, daily vlogging. So I'm gonna show you guys that example outside. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, now I'm vlogging with the Fulaim X5 and this is on normal mode. There's two modes in this mic, which is normal mode and noise reduction mode. Now it's on normal mode and this is what it sounds like. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear the sound quality, and this is the view for today. Yeah, now let's move on to the noise reduction mode. Right now the mic is on noise reduction mode. How do I turn the noise reduction mode on? As you can see right here, as I showed just now, there's like a yellow button right here. You just click it once and the light will become like, from one blue light it becomes two light. As you can see right here, there's two lights, which means noise reduction mode is on, and this is what it sounds like outdoor. So yeah, now there is not much wind, but there is like bird sound. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this, but this is on noise reduction mode and this is what it sounds like. Testing 1 2 3. So yeah, that's the end of my testing for the vlog. So yeah, so this is what it sounds like further away. I hope you guys can hear the quality, I mean the audio quality, and tell me in the comments below what do you guys think of the Fulaim X5. Is it worth it or is it not worth it to buy?
That's all for the sound quality test for the Fulaim X5. And now there is some features that I want to let you guys know, that I want to point out, which is important that you guys know before purchasing this Fulaim X5. First of all, there is onboard memory feature, which are not available in quite a number of wireless microphone, but it's available in the Fulaim X5. So what this feature does is it automatically save your audio and deletes it. It's like a cycle, to prevent it from losing in case you accidentally lose it or there's any issues happening. So yeah, that it prevents it from losing your audio. And the storage space for the onboard memory is 4 GB, and this function is only available, like can only be used for audio backups. Yeah. And there's one more thing that I want to point out, which I mentioned this before, which is the 18 hours battery life of the Fulaim X5. So how 18 hours? Because one microphone can last for 6 hours and two microphones is like 12 hours, and plus the power bank case, you can charge it twice, so it's like 18 hours of battery life. Really cool. It's a very long time, 18 hours. So yeah, you can just use the mic how long as you want, because I mean, as long as you have this power bank case, you're safe. And also there is a multi-mode audio output. It's like a mono, stereo and MS safe track output. There's 3. So yeah. And there's one more thing that I want to point out, which is the feature that I used just now, which is the phone monitoring. I'm monitoring the audio using my phone. I'll just plug this in my phone and I can just monitor the audio right here that I showed you guys just now. Yeah, it's really easy. And in order to record and end the recording, all you have to do is just click the button right here, long press the button for 2 seconds to start or end the recording. So it's really simple. I mean, like, once you guys have the Fulaim X5, you guys will get the hang of it. Like I showed you guys just now, I just read the user manual and it's so easy to use. I've already demonstrated just now. Super easy, anyone can use it. So before I end this video, I want to say, is it worth it to buy the Fulaim X5 or is it not worth it to buy? If you're a YouTuber, a blogger, or you know, someone who likes doing videos, or you like to record stuff, you want a better audio, this microphone is amazing and it's suitable for you, I would say. Overall, I would say yes, it's worth it to buy. But if you want something more high-end, there's of course better brand, but the price, there is a big difference too in pricing. But for this price range, I would say Fulaim X5 is amazing. It does what it does with the build quality, amazing quality of the audio. If you guys hear it just now, it's amazing. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next one.
Back to my channel. So